ModeSenscom review: is ModeSens legit or a scam? ModeSenscom review: is ModeSens legit or a scam? If you're a fashion lover, ModeSenscom may have caught your attention as a platform that promises to track designer items and compare prices across stores. But is it really trustworthy, or just another flashy website? Most people get this wrong by thinking any platform offering luxury deals online is suspicious. The surprising truth is that ModeSens is generally considered legitimate. It's essentially a fashion aggregator, pulling data from reputable retailers and allowing users to compare prices, track inventory, and receive alerts when items go on sale. You won't believe what happens next. ModeSens does not sell products directly. Instead, it redirects you to the retailer's website to complete the purchase. This means your transaction and personal data are handled by the actual retailer, not ModeSens, which adds a layer of safety. Users praise the website for its clean interface, extensive brand coverage, and accurate price tracking. To get the most out of ModeSens, create an account to save favorite items, set price alerts, and use their browser extension for quick access to sales and updates. Remember, while ModeSens is safe, always check the retailer's reputation before finalizing any purchase. In conclusion, ModeSenscom is a legitimate and useful tool for fashion enthusiasts looking to compare prices and track luxury items. While it doesn't sell products directly, its aggregator features make shopping more efficient and informed. With proper use, it's a smart companion for anyone serious about designer fashion deals.